once you have a Google account set up, what you want to do is you want to come to these little squares here and hit Drive. Once you're here, you can go up to New, this little plus here, and you're going to go to this little arrow by Google Docs, and you're going to go to Templates. You can do a blank document, but they actually have some really good templates that I want to show you. So once you're here, they have a ton of these available that are really nice, already set up. For example, you have class notes down here. You can actually take this template, put your notes in there, send it out to your students. But for me, I'm just going to click blank, show you a blank document here. And there's some really good things you can do. So just like Microsoft Word, you have a ton of editing options. So text style, Arial, Times New Roman, size, bold, italics, underline, color, highlight. Then there's this link, which is really nice. So you can insert a link here. And let's say you want students to click here. Click here. You can insert the link and apply. So it's a live link for them to click on. And then you also have a ton of other options, numbers, bullet points, all your normal stuff that you can work with. Other things that are really nice about Google Docs is File. You have all your sharing, make a copy. Making a copy is really nice. So let's say you're making a group project, you make a master copy. So let's say you name this master project, or you put your project in there, is you can actually make a copy of this and delete this project and type in group 1 and click OK. You have that document that you have all ready to go. So if you have group, you can send that document, the new copy, to that group, which is really beautiful. And if you want to, you can also email as attachment. But let's go down here to publish to the web. So what you want, you can choose link or embed. So if you choose link, you hit publish. You choose embed, you hit publish, and it'll give you the link you need. And what I love, if your LMS or your learning management system allows you to embed items, so like a picture, you can do this same thing, but with Google Docs. So when your student is in the LMS or whatever you have here, is they can actually see this live link here and work with it. And if they want, they can click here and go ahead and see the Google Docs and open with Google and work with it. So really nice there. And then I'm going to hit exit here. Other things that are available to you are these add-ons. So there's a ton of add-ons that you can go through. And if you click on one, let's say math type, you can see what it does. It gives you a little tutorial of what it can do. And there's a ton of add-ons to choose from. And just go through them, see what works for you. I really like the ones I have. I have the highlight tool, the table of contents, and the template gallery for docs, because just having more docs available to you just saves you time. Next, you can share. So right now this is private for me and only me, but what I can do is I can change to anyone with a link, and you can do a viewer, a commenter, editor. So the master copy I always keep as a viewer, but when I make copies and I want to send them out, I do editor, so my students can actually edit it. I copy the link and then I send it to them, or like I said, maybe you have a Google Slides, an LMS, you can copy the link in there depending on how you want to go about that.